So over here, you can see that as I have some projects loaded up over here in Adobe Media Encoder, you can see that by default, the format they will be converted in, if I were to stop the conversion right now, is S.264 video format. If I want to go ahead and change that out, simply click on the down arrow right here for the project that you want to change, and then you can go ahead and choose another format as you wish. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and select MPEZ4, let's say, for example, and this is what you have right here. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and choose, let's say, for example, another format like AVI as well. Apart from that, over here, you can see that I have a sub format as well. For example, for AVI, you can see that I can go ahead and select NTSC or PAL or NTSC widescreen and so forth as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to select PAL DB widescreen, it is AVI in PAL DB widescreen format right here. So similarly, you can go ahead right here, select S.264. Let's say, for example, right now it is matching the source, but if I want to change it out into another format, let's say, for example, into YouTube 1080p full SD, I can go ahead and select, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can go ahead and choose the format. And if I were to go ahead and click right here, you can see that it opens up the export settings, and you can select out your format from over here as well. So you can go ahead and select, let's say, for example, MPEZ2, and then you can go around over here onto preset, and then if I were to go around onto SD720p right here, this is what you have. Press OK, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with format and preset basics inside of Adobe Media Encoder and choose the format that you want to export out your file in. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.